Right, so now I have printed an egg cup, a fish, not fish, snake toy, and now I'm trying a model Yoda, an actual Yoda, which is coming along fairly nicely. You can already see the sort of ridges on his I don't know, cloak, shoulders, wherever that is, and that's his head being done at the moment. So should be rather interesting when it's done. I've also upped my print speed. Before I was printing at 10mm a second, but I thought, well, let me just see if I can try printing a bit faster. So now I'm trying printing at 30mm a second, and it seems to be okay. I mean, at 10mm a second, it estimated this print at something like 11 hours, but now it's estimating it at just over 2 hours, and it reckons it's got about an hour left before it completes, so that's not too bad. So yeah, it's coming along well. Let me just go around to the front and see sort of how it's coming along. Again, I've got some burnt bits on the side, so I'm sure that's because of my nozzle. The nozzle's sort of rubbing off on the plastic, and it needs to, and basically just the burnt bits just melt off. But I can probably sand that out when it's done. It's actually coming along quite well. The little model Yoda. You can see there's the bottom of his. I can just see about the bottom of his chin being formed now. So that's kind of cool. You can see it's doing it in layers, like a lattice. Now doing the outline of his head. I'm now doing the lattice but the opposite way round. Very cool. So there we go, a model Yoda.